Lord bless you and keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Lord, turn his face towards you and give you peace. So amen, 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 amen. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.